Hi everyone. 2022 was the year we grew celery for the first time. Looking at the timeline of how long it takes to grow a crop gives you an idea of what to expect. The seeds were so tiny and were slow to germinate. 1.5 months later, the seedlings are so small, but the roots were really long. But eventually, they picked up and were reasonable size by the time of transplanting. We read that they need a lot of water, so we decided to keep it next to our back door so that we could water it every other day. And we did, except for a week or two. The plants were growing well, but they showed huge growth in second half of July. We should have started harvesting in September, but because it was our first time growing celery, we didn't realize that. So we decided to wait, only to realize in October that we were late. Ah well, better late than never. We finally harvested it. The flavor was amazing. Would we grow it again? Yes, we will try it again and hopefully we will harvest it on time this year. We have covered the timeline of growing peas from seed to harvest, so do check it out. I will put a link on the screen for it.